We're looking at now the cafe. We're in construction on the cafe. We have some interior reconstruction going on with the cafe. We're enlarging the seating area, interior seating area, and basically working out our water feature for the outside seating area. And if we expand over to the stage basically right now is pretty much in completed stages other than the interior. The interior, we're getting ready to actually go up in the upper room and do the green room on the stage and make a complementary same green room downstairs. So basically that's what we're doing with the green room and the stage. Other than the stage, exterior outside in the ceiling, we're putting some reinforced steel in it for basically speakers, lights, or whatever the case may be. With some of the bigger bands come in that need that extra space. And then when we walk down a little bit the promenade, we sell the picnic trellises that we had up, the shade features. Those are pretty much in completed stages, and we're pretty much done with those. And then when you cross over, you saw the play park. We're looking at the climbing wall. We're looking at the play pavilion. Basically all of that. We have the climbing equipment, all that stuff. The basically playground equipment is out there and getting ready to get put in place. So basically that's coming along once the park dries out again. Then we went on down to the shade pavilion. They're doing basically really the mechanical rough ends and electrical rough ends of the pavilion. And basically that's going to be what they call in the roller rink disco area. So it's going to be a little nice feature to what we have added to the park. And then we actually saw the lake. The lake is not to its full capacity yet. We're actually waiting for a couple of levels for it to come up about 6 inches so we can actually do our last test and get our last test in, and then we can start filling to capacity. And basically you'll see it boiling over. It's going to be great. And right above it, you see our bridge. We showed you quite a bit of the materials for the bridge. They're here. They're now getting ready to start installing that, probably not as we speak, either today or tomorrow, start installing those features to the bridge. Then we came on down to the boathouse. We saw the boathouse and all the features to the boathouse. You saw the lighting, everything was on. We couldn't really get over there because it was kind of muddy, but the boathouse is pretty much finished. All we're doing is some rough ends on the interior of it, and basically the boathouse is finished. And then as we walk out of the park, we saw the lens gardens, and so basically those are pretty much probably going to have to be re-leveled because of the mounds were set before we start getting all this rain. But other than that, the features of it that you see, that's what you're going to have. And so basically we're just probably going to have to level those off. And we have right now on ground, basically we have over 437 trees in the ground. We're looking by June to have 968 trees done. And so, and as you talked about that a little bit, and you see all the light features, we have 368 lights here in the park. And that took over 7 miles of electrical conduit in the ground to function all of these lights. Yeah. So basically we have a lot of lights, we have a lot of trees. Yeah, we had a lot of basically vegetation coming in as well. We got thousands and thousands of different types of vegetation that's going to be all around the park. That's going to be featured in the lake itself. So around the mounds. So it's going to be all over the place, and we're gonna it's going to be a lot of stuff come through.
When are you guys going to be complete?
We're looking at September 27th to be completed as our opening date. Yeah. I'm hoping that we'll be done before that, but we're looking at September 27th.